Hey guys, this little stinky girl right here, she's still in her stinky clothes with her stinky little butt. Yeah. Anyways, so Autumn got her IV out. Yeah. So her little IV is out. Listen to her. She sounds so much better, you guys. Oh my gosh. Her oxygen is way better. Oh. Doctor said she's hopefully not going to need another surgery. We're getting moved to pediatrics at supper time. So another 5 hours. I'm so happy I don't have to be apart from her anymore. I want to thank everyone for the prayers. All your prayers, all your love, honestly. I'm not gonna cry. It's been amazing. You guys, I literally thought at one point I was gonna lose her because of how blue her lips were before I brought her into emergency. That was that day I scheduled a stream Friday, and that's when everything happened, and that was the last thing on my mind was the stream. But yeah, that was the last thing on my mind was that stream. I'm sorry for anyone who was sitting in there that was annoyed. I apologize. We've been here for a couple days now, so she's doing really good. I'm really hoping we get to go home. Obviously not today because she's got to be 24 to 48 hours after her surgery, but she's doing so good, you guys. I'm so happy. She's finally gonna have a bath tonight. But yeah, thank you guys so much for all the love and all the support. Honestly, both of us, me, Autumn, my family, we all appreciate it. I can't wait to go home. I'll keep you guys updated, though. DM me, anyone. If I'm forgetting to message you, don't get upset about it. I'm sorry if I'm forgetting to message some people, but you guys have my number. You guys know how to get a hold of me too, and I apologize if I forget. Yeah. Thanks, guys. Bye.